Now last night, after I posted my video number 2, I was noticing what I thought was possibly little cracks. So I thought I want to take a closer look. So I've got it set up here so that you can see it. And I think you'll probably be able to see that yes, there are cracks in the wood, but they've been completely filled with the cactus juice. And well, I guess that was the whole idea of doing the cactus juice thing, fill up the cracks. Well, I can see that the only way this pen is going to write is if it's in first or second gear. Well, okay, I got it in gear. If I let out the clutch nice and slow, maybe it'll write. Well, it looks like we're ready for the racetrack. I wonder what would happen if I put it in reverse. You've got to be kidding me.